The new pageless view in Google Docs comes with this great feature that allows students to scroll horizontally in tables. Now, you have to be in pageless view to use this. You can adjust that in your page layout. We also have a video on that if you want to check it out on how to use this new pageless view. So it's really simple. It's completely built in, which is great. So once you insert your table, so for example, this table here, which is a reading on water in the Middle East, and this table has 3 columns. It has the reading, it has some vocabulary, and then all the way on the right, it has this column where students can type notes and things like that. So on a traditional kind of document, we'd have to make this really small, maybe make this middle column really skinny to fit it into the page. But with this new pageless view table function, the students, when they scroll over it, actually have a scroll bar, which you can see down at the bottom, where they can continue to scroll as far right or as far left as they need to access the whole table. So this is a great function for so many different things that you might be doing in your assignments, and it's really great to take that pressure off of having to fit it within the margins, whereas now you can put as much as you need in a table and the students can scroll to access it. This is one of the easiest functions to use because it's completely built in. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to turn it on. All you have to do is insert a table. So when you go up to the top here, you insert your table. We're just gonna put in a 6-column, 3-row table and see it automatically becomes scrollable. So that's really it. It's really that easy, and I hope this helps you in your classroom.